Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to link a button to a page in WordPress using elf site. Adding a call to action button to your website page doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. With the elf site button widget, you can easily customize one that fits seamlessly into your website design. Best of all, you can do so for free. Head down to the description down this video so you can find the elf site website link. Step 1. Log into your elf site account and go to button and choose the template you want to add to your page. After you chose the right template for you, click on Continue with this template. Customize the widget's appearance to align with your preferred visual aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the changes, confirm your adjustments by clicking the Publish button. You will receive a unique HTML code snippet generated by the plugin. The next step is to log to your WordPress admin dashboard. Locate the relevant page within your WordPress website and select the Edit option. Insert the button widget's HTML code by clicking on the plus sign to add the HTML code into the desired content area using a custom HTML block. Finally, publish or update the page to make the changes active. Congratulations, you now possess the necessary knowledge to successfully add elf site's button plugin to your WordPress website page effortlessly. Enjoy enhanced engagement and increased conversions with your powerful plugin. Feel free to visit the elf site, which is in the description down below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.